Get ready for today's exercise. Start. Whether in Bollywood or in politics, one of the disadvantages of being a star is that people often don't tell you when things go amiss. As a result, the star does not realize it early enough to take corrective action. Stop. A key reason for this is the circle of people surrounding the star. Stop. They continue to sign his praises or come up with conspiracy theories to explain away problems. Stop. Para. Eventually, it is too late. Stop. It is for this reason we see some massive flops in the audience scratch their heads and go, but did not anyone tell them? Question mark. In politics, it comes out as an unexpected defeat, leaving the party wondering how they could have read the signs so wrong. Stop. Congress's recent four state defeat or the 2009 NDA defeat are examples of so called shocking results when in retrospect the signs were there for all to see. Stop. Era. Similar enough in BJP's current situation. Stop. Over the past month, the Narendra Modi campaign has been drilled some, but stop. There is little acknowledgement or effort to fix it, indicating denial. Stop. Whether chamaches and psychopaths convey this or not, Aap and Arvind Kejriwal have taken a bit of sheen of Modi's campaign. Stop. Para. BJP swept the recent assembly election in four states, winning almost 80% of seats. Stop. However, media, both social and mainstream, kept their focus primarily on AAP and every action it took. Stop. Even Kejriwal's viral fever become news. Stop. Para. AAP movement in the sun would have passed if BJP kept doing its own thing but gave a genuine pat on the back to Kejriwal and company for AAP can have limited impact on the 2014 Lok Sabha election if it has national ambitions, especially if it has to run Delhi as well. Stop. Para. BJP's prize for AAP would have helped Modi, even though politics is eventually a zero sum game. Many Modi supporters are also AAP supporters. Stop. These are the new fence sitting voters, the change seekers, the aspirational class, the influencers, and the people with a soft spot for the underdog. Stop. These are progressive Indians who want to embrace the new, and that alone is enough for them to connect Modi and Kejriwal. Stop. This is a vital deciding set of voters in this election. Stop. Given how polarizing a figure Modi is, it is well established that the BJP campaign would focus on these new fence sitting voters. Stop. Para. However, but did BJP to instead question mark 1. They took an old school RSS stance on on section 377 stop BJP's stance and their bizarre rationale for it, which included words like unnatural and against Indian culture, sent a scare down the spines of many young voters. Stop. They brought back the worst fears young voters have of BJP that some frustrated old uncles will place restrictions on us in the name of what they feel is natural Hindu or Indian stop era. I am sorry if this is unpleasant to her, but it is exactly what young voters, especially women, think when they decide do not vote for BJP. Stop. Thanks.